Up next is the HiCozy B1, sometimes shown as HIM B1, a compact sphere maker aimed at people who want dependable two-sphere cycles for cocktails and whiskey nights. The listing puts the cycle time at roughly 60 to 80 minutes for two standard whiskey spheres and a daily yield figure in lower dozens, advertised as around 40 pieces a day in some listings, while other brand materials claim larger daily throughput depending on cycle selection. So it's less of a high-volume party machine and more of a serious single or small group solution. The B1 specs show a relatively compact footprint, rough product dimensions until the 1300 ml capacity listed, and LED display and smart indicators for water icefall status, a one-press auto-processing feature and included service items like stainless steel tongs and a drip tray. Nice touches for usability. On pricing, HiCozy models are often positioned mid-market. I found retailer and showroom snapshots that range from the mid-$300s to $500 plus depending on the seller and promotional discounts, so buyer diligence is important. Customer comments and review snippets frequently call out solid build quality for the price and reliable, clear spheres. Common caveats include the smaller per cycle output compared with 4-ball machines and the fact that initial cycles may run longer while the machine conditions itself. That's normal for many clear ice makers. Vlog close. If your evenings call for a couple of perfect ice spheres for sipping or intimate gatherings, HiCozy's B1 is compact, well-featured, and user-friendly. Just be realistic about output versus full-day, high-volume machines. And yes, we share buy links in description box.